Education Society, redefining excellence.
Hello everyone, myself Varath Sunil Salunke and I am studying in TYCO2 at ZIL Polytechnic Nare. I am here to explain our project of our subject Emerging Trends in Computer and Information Technology. The topic of our project is IoT based humidity and temperature monitoring and controlling system. The group members for our project are Pushkaraj Arun Jadhav, Yash Suhasbor and myself Varath Sunil Salunke. We have completed this project under the guidance of our HOD, Mr. S.B. Tamboli sir. The index covered in our project is first of all the introduction of the system, then is the need of the system, then comes the hardware and software requirement, then comes the system architecture, and lastly implementation. I start the explanation by giving the introduction. The Internet of Things, that is IoT, plays a pivotal part in our daily life by controlling electronic devices using the networks. The controlling is done by minutely observing the important parameters which generate vital pieces of information concerning the functions of these electronic devices. Simultaneously, this information will transmit these vital statistics from the transmitting devices as well as save the same on the cloud to access by applications and supplementary procedures to use them. This scrutiny associates the outcomes of the environmental observances like the humidity or temperature measurements using sensors. The gathered information could be profitably used to produce actions like distantly dominant cooling, heating devices or long-term statistics, which will be useful to control the same. The detected data are uploaded to the cloud storage through network and associate using Android application. The next part is the need of IoT based humidity and temperature monitoring system. Using Internet of Things, we can control any electronic equipment in homes and industries. Moreover, you can read a data from any sensor and analyze it graphically from anywhere in the world. Here we can read temperature and humidity data from DHT11 sensor and upload it to a ThingSpeak cloud using Arduino Uno and ESP826601 module. Arduino Uno is MCU. It fetch a data of humidity and temperature from DHT11 sensor and process it and give it to ESP8266 module. ESP8266 is a Wi-Fi module. It is one of the leading platform for Internet of Things. It can transfer data to IoT cloud.
Hello everyone, I am Pushkaraj Jadhav representing the next part, which is hardware and software requirement. They are as given below. Arduino Uno ESP DHT11 AMS with 3.3 volt 9 volt battery and Arduino Uno Arduino IDE. The next part is a overall block diagram. Here the first block is a temperature, water level, humidity and humidity, which is connected to the Arduino controller. Here the power supply is coming from the solar panel. The next block is a Wi-Fi module which is connected to the Arduino controller and the IoT software block is connected to the all the thing which is passed through Wi-Fi controller. The next part is a circuit and boards. In this diagram, all component and working of a IoT based controller are shown as below. The next part is explained by my partner Yash Bor.
Hello everyone, I am Yash Bor representing the next point, that is the implementation. We have identified a suitable implementation model that consists of different sensor devices and other modules. Their functionalities are shown in the diagram. In this implementation model, we use Arduino Uno board with Wi-Fi module is an embedded device for sensing and storing the data in cloud. Sensors are connected to Arduino Uno board for monitoring. ADC will convert the corresponding sensor reading to its digital value, and from the value the corresponding environmental parameter will be evaluated. And last one, the system is beneficial for farmers to work in the non-power sector to save electricity. Moreover, the results are graphically analyzed by using the one thing speak platform through the ESP8266 Wi-Fi module. Finally, collected data from the HTU211D sensor, save the same data and analyze the data by using the cloud data module. Thank you.
ZIL Education Society, redefining excellence.